Let's do the next three problems. 1, 2, 3, 4 terms, so this is a trinomial. Remember, our trinomial rule is that we do grouping. X to the third plus 3x squared tells us we can take out 2 x's, leaving behind x and 3. Take out a -9, leaving behind x plus 3. These two should be the same, don't forget. Everything outside the parenthesis gets listed. Everything inside the parenthesis gets listed. Now we have two binomials. Remember, our rule for binomials is the difference of a perfect square. This one's addition, this one's subtraction, so we're looking at this one. X squared and 9 are perfect squares. We can factor further. Split your x's. One's addition, one is subtraction. The square root of 9 is 3 and 3. Do not forget to pull down your other factor. And that is that problem. Okay, now we have x squared, or 12x squared minus 32x minus 44. These are all even numbers, so we know we can take out some type of GCF. 12, 32, and 4 all have 4 as a factor. 12 divided by 4 is 3, x squared, because we didn't mess with the x's, minus 32 divided by 4 is 8, carry down your x, minus 44 divided by 4 is 11. Okay, we need to take a look because this now is still a trinomial and we need to see if our box method works or if we're done factoring. Okay, 3x squared, our first number, -11, our last number. 3 times -11 is -33. We're going for 8 here. So we know there's 1 and 33, 3 and 11. 1 is positive, 1 is negative. 11 minus 3 is 8. We want our bigger number negative, so -11x, 3x. We can take out a -11. We can take out a 3x. We can take out an x. And we can take out 1. Okay, let's list that. 3x minus 11, x plus 1, and our GCF has to come down to our final answer of 4, 3x minus 11, x plus 1. Our final one is a 4-term polynomial. This one over here started out as a polynomial. Sorry about that. Okay, a polynomial. Looking at the first set, you could pull out x cubed, leaving behind 2 x's there, and the number 1. Here we can pull out a -8, leaving x squared minus 1. What's outside the parentheses becomes a group. What's inside the parentheses becomes a group. They're both differences. This one is a perfect square, so we're going to go further with it. Plus and minus. The square root of 1 is 1. Carry down your other set. Now that binomial there, the x cubed minus 8, can also be factored, but we won't get into that until Algebra 2.